Truck and tractor pulling, also known as the power pulling, is a motorsport competition popular in United States, Canada, Europe, Australia, Brazil and New Zealand. This competition requires antique or modified tractors to pull a heavy drag sled along a 11-meter wide, 100-meter long track, with the winner being the tractor that pulls the drag the farthest. The sport is known as the world's most powerful motorsport due to the multi-engine modified tractor pullers. All tractors in their respective classes pull a set weight in the drag or sled. When the tractor gets to the end of the 100-meter track, this is known as a full pull. When more than one tractor complete the course, more weight is added to the drag sled, and those competitors that move past 91 meters with complete in a pull-off, the winner is the one who pulled the drag the farthest. Apart from modified standard diesel tractors, a variety of high-power engines are used in tractor pulling. This competition started in the late 1970s. In the early years, mainly single, double or multiple US-made big block dragsters engines were used, but nowadays a lot of parts from discarded military engines are in use.
There he is, James Costa out of Tulare, California.
For example, parts from Russian helicopters, torpedo boat engines, tank engines, or World War II era aircraft piston engines in Whitwell shape, or radial engine. In recent years, a number of agricultural engines have been converted to run on methanol with a multi-stage turbocharging. The most powerful tractors, such as those in the heavy modified class in Europe, can produce over 8,800 kilowatts. Superstock tractors open class uses primarily methanol fuel. The Superstock open machines can generate over 4,400 kilowatts and 5,400 Newton meters of torque. Diesel Prostock tractors are limited to one turbocharger, and diesel fuel is the only allowable source of power, in keeping with the spirit of the original tractors. There is light super stock class with the 2,800 kilograms and the heavy super stock classes that are between 3 and 4,000 kilograms. Today's drags use a complex system of gears to move weights up to 29,000 kilograms. Upon starting, all the weights are over the drag's real axles to give the effective weight of the drag plus zero.